Take a ride in the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, brake assist, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, front-wheel independent suspension, electronic stability control, traction control, rear window defroster. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.